Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to discuss how to pass or add or modify props to this.props.children from parent component in React.js. I have a requirement in my React.js project to pass or add or modify props to this.props.children from parent component. I will explain with code example. I imported React from React library. Now I have a parent component class, extends React.component. Then I have a render method. Inside render method, I loop through my children of this parent component. If we go down in our app component, we have parent component and child component. So inside this parent component, we have a child component. Our requirement is to pass or add or modify props to this child component. So in my parent component definition, I have a render method. Inside that, I have loop to iterate over each child element. So const children with the props is equal to React.Children.map. So using map function, we are loop through each child element. This.props.children is indicates each child element of this parent component. Child component of this parent component. And we pass this child component to the React.cloneElement, because clone each child element and add or modify props, and we add new props here, new prop value. Then we return div and children with props from our render method. So in our child component, we can accept props here, and here we have div element, p element, two p elements. Here we display our props dot new prop. Here we successfully pass, add or modify props to this .props.children. By executing this line, we loop through each child components of this parent component, and this .props.children indicates all the child React component of this parent React component, and each child we use React.cloneElement method, pass that each child into it and add new prop, so that here in this child component we can receive props here and show in the JSX. So in app functional component, we have parent component and child component. From parent component, we can pass to child component the props. So this is the way to pass, add or modify props to the this.props.children. This.props.children indicates the child React component. Child React components. There is only one child component. If there is more than one, this dot map method loop through each child React components and add new props using React.CloneElement. So this method will help you. Thank you.